Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020. And in this video, we'll be talking about the recent bill that has been moved against China by USA in protest against the detention of Uyghur Muslims in the Xinjiang province. Let us have a look at this issue. Before talking about the Uyghur Muslims, let us have a brief discussion on who these people are. So, when we discuss about a group called the Uyghur Muslims, we are talking about a Turkish ethnic group that resides in the Xinjiang province of northwest China, that is just above Ladakh region. So, these Muslims are recognized by the Chinese government only as a regional minority, that is only in this region, but not the whole country. So the Chinese government rejects the notion of the Uyghurs being an indigenous group. So they belong to some other area and they have migrated into China. That is the conception of China. So Uyghurs have traditionally inhabited a series of oases scattered around the Taklamakan desert. Where is this Taklamakan desert? Please comment in the comment box below. So since 2015, this issue was in news that China has been detaining millions of Uyghur Muslims in the Xinjiang region to what is being called as the re-education camps. These camps were established under the General Secretary Xi Jinping's administration with the main aim of ensuring adherence to national ideology. So the critics of China's treatments of Uyghurs have accused the Chinese government of propagating a policy which might trigger a cultural genocide of this segment of population. So, in criticism to this, the United States House of Representatives moved a legislation calling for sanctions on Chinese officials who were responsible for this activity of oppression of Uyghur Muslims. So, even in India, we have had protests from various groups of Muslims in support of Uyghur Muslims in China. So what the US government has effectively done is, US companies or individuals who are operating in the Xinjiang region will ensure that their products do not include parts used by forced labor of these Uyghur Muslims. So as a result, it will severely impact the Chinese government in this region. So the message was very clear that they cannot act indiscriminately. However, China has been denying this mistreatment in the camps. There is one segment of population which believes that China is trying to do this detainment in the fear of radical terrorism in the name of Islam spreading to China as well. So China wants to avoid this, and that is the main motive behind this re-education camps. But Chinese government has been continuously denying all such allegations. Despite of such communication from China, the bill has now been sent to White House for assent of the president. So, given the present context of COVID-19 crisis and the antagonism between Donald Trump and his perception towards China, we can say that this will also become a severe point of contention in the US-China relations. Now let us have a look at this question. Consider the following statements with reference to Uyghurs community. The Turkic ethnic group. This is a right statement. I have already discussed that in the initial slides. The largest population of the Uyghurs lives in Hong Kong. This is a false statement. They live in the Xinjiang province. So second statement is false and first statement is right. That is the answer. Now please take a look at the second statement. Please pause the video. In the present context, you have to understand that Hong Kong issue is completely different from the issue that we have discussed now. What is this Hong Kong freedom struggle or Hong Kong autonomy struggle? What happened in 1997 for 50 years and what is happening right now? Is it right thing to happen? What is the one China policy? What is the role of Taiwan in one China policy? In this present context, all this also becomes very important with respect to China. Please read about the issue of Hong Kong and also about the One China policy, and try to answer this question along with an explanation. Please post it in the comment box. That's it for this video. Thank you.